Nikutokuzeni mori wanga, nitate wanga, wachitoyo mwimu na mpira pa umoyo wanga, sindiza embekeza sikula kumalira kwanu hai, sindizi wazambiri kunapita mwakutine ndikule, ilipeza mbili somweninga kuchitireni sopano kuma, nikupembela ni madaliso kwa mulungu mukali moyo.
I don't know about you, but I am where I am today by the grace and the mercy of God. I would rather lose every other thing but not His presence. We live in a wicked world. When you leave Jesus Christ, you will find out that every other thing you've held on to is transient. Men will leave you in a heartbeat. Systems will leave you in a heartbeat. Your job will throw you out if they have an alternative. You better hold on to that friend that's sticking closer than a brother. Don't let men make Jesus Christ look like an outdated issue in your life. Your phone rings with a Christian song, you quickly off it because you don't want to fall your hand. If all I have is Jesus, I've got something more than gold. I will tell it to my world. Jesus is more than gold. I don't know about you, but I'm where I am today by the grace and the mercy of God. I would rather lose every other thing but not His presence. We live in a wicked world. When you leave Jesus Christ, you will find out that every other thing you've held on to is transient.